Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker, where we share amazing iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Siri on your iPhone. With the Hey Siri feature, you can use the voice commands to send messages, set reminders, control your smart home, and so much more, all hands-free. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Settings app and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri option. On the next page, tap on Talk and type to Siri. As you can see, the Hey Siri feature is turned off on my iPhone. In order to turn it on, I can select the Siri or Hey Siri option or simply select the Hey Siri option. When I select the first option, Siri will respond even when I say the word Siri. If you want to prevent accidental triggers, then it is a good idea to select the Hey Siri option instead. When you select the option to turn this feature on, iOS will ask you to say a few phrases before it can set up the Hey Siri feature on your device. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. After you say those phrases, this feature will get activated. Now that the Hey Siri option has been activated, iPhone will listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. And that's it. Now you know how to activate the Hey Siri feature on your iPhone and start using it hands-free. If this tutorial helped you out, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.